Omukoro Okushabira Eihanga gwayetabwaho abajenyi batali bamwe na bamwe abebembezi b'eddiini ba minisita okuruga mu gavumenti ya rwagati abanyishenjero okuruga omu mahanga gandi otireho n'abakuru kuruga mu gavumenti kandi omukoro ogu gwabumaka gwa president omu Entebbe. Okushaba kwabakwebembirwe ori Archbishop ow'eddiini ey'aba Orthodox omu Uganda.
I confess tomorrow because he lives. All fear is gone.
Archbishop Muzeyi ow'aba Orthodox yatandika ari kushoborora omugasho gw'esharankezi omu Uganda na mnonga habwire obwihanga lirioniriza omukaruru obuyabanaburira Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda Stanley Kazimba Mugaru yajumirira mulingo ogu abebyo kwerinda batwarizemu abekibina echa National Unity Platform.
We need to pray for them. Like now we're enjoying the peace everywhere. But there are some security guys who have actually disappointing us, especially in the guru areas. Those are few people. The rest are doing a good thing, but just a few of them.
Oguyayongera yahiga abantu okureba ngo bakozesa uburinganiza ahamwe na namazima ahabwo burungi obwihangeri ya Uganda.
So that the peace we are enjoying, the transfusion, we should continue to enjoy it, so that few people shouldn't spoil our peace. Tell your neighbor, are you hearing what Archbishop is saying?
Ari kugambaho n'abantu President Museveni yatandika ari kusima aba Interreligious Council of Uganda ahabo kutebekanisa kurungi okushaba kweri izoba.
I want to congratulate the religious people for forming the Interreligious Council. I think they formed it when NRM took over because the NRM rejected the bankruptcy of religious sectarianism.
President Museveni yakozesa izoberi okubasa kurabura abo bona abarikozesa obutumwa obwo kwangana omubantu bari kurabira mu dini ahamwe na n'enganda.
Still also some sectarianism of religion in some areas. And I actually wanted to talk to the Interreligious Council about it. When you have some religious groups, some individuals, not groups as such, but some individuals trying to bring up sectarianism of religion, sometimes of tribes, that should be castigated.
President Museveni yayongera yarabura abo bona abine kitekateko ekyo kureta hakavuyo mu ihanga ari kugira ngo entekateka nkezo tizirije kwikirizibwa edakika nemwe.
You find that many of the problems in Africa are caused by parasite groups who are not part of the wealth creation. They don't even care. That's why you hear them talking of violence. How can you be violent in your kitchen, your own kitchen? You can't start conflicts in your kitchen. You must be very careful with your kitchen. Even if you have issues, if you want to fight, you go in the compound and you fight there.
Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga ahabwa Tayari West.